The interesting question is, just because something thinks differently from you, does that mean it's not thinking?
Only audio input and a fully talking video avatar.
No, we allow for humans to have such divergences from one another. You like strawberries, I hate ice skating. You cry at sad films, I am allergic to pollen. What is the point of different tastes, different preferences, if not to say that our brains work differently, that we think differently?
And you can also provide a driving video and generate even better talking avatars. So today I am going to show you how to use this amazing newest VExpress open source application on cloud services if you don't have a powerful GPU. If you are following me, I already have published the Windows tutorial that is running on your local computer. So if you have a powerful GPU, you can already use this application on Windows with one-click installers. Moreover, you still should watch Windows tutorial because I explain in more details how to use this application on Windows tutorial. So today I am going to show you how to one-click install and use this application on Massed Compute with an amazing price, 31 cents per hour on a very powerful GPU RTX A6000. You see it is running on the Massed Compute and it is even able to generate 1 minute long videos. Moreover, I am also going to show you how to install and use on Rampot machines. You see I am running on 3 instances on Rampot to generate multiple videos at once. Furthermore, if you don't want to pay to the cloud services, I also prepared a free Kaggle account notebook, so I will show you how to use this application on a free Kaggle account as well. Also, I have done more tests on the cloud services and I am sharing the test results and their configuration, so you can download the test file and look each one of the result and their configuration and decide which one is working best for you. Moreover, I have prepared more demo input images and input videos so you can easily test the different configuration on these files as well. And finally, I have updated this Patreon post, added some new information and the new links. So everything we need is shared in this post. The link of this post will be in the description of the video. Please read this post and go to the very bottom of the post and you will see the installers zip file, which is VExpress installers version 4. Let's just download it. Then let's extract it into our downloads folder. Enter inside the extraction folder and you will see all of the files here. I will begin with installing on Massed Compute, which is my newest favorite cloud service provider. To install on Massed Compute, just double click the Massed Compute instructions read.txt file and all of the instructions are here. First of all, please register your Massed Compute account or login by double clicking this link. After you did that, go to the billing and set your credits from here. Then we will deploy a machine. So in this interface, we are going to select A6000 GPU. You see RTX A6000. Why? Because we have a special coupon for this GPU and this GPU is very powerful. It has 48 GB VRAM. Then from the category select creator and from image select SE courses. This is our virtual machine. This is mandatory to select and to get a half price, you see currently it is 62 cents per hour. Type here SE courses like this and click verify and you see now the price is 31 cents per hour. This deal is amazing for this GPU. Moreover, we get 48 GB RAM and 256 GB hard drive for this machine. Click deploy. Once you click deploy, just wait for the machine to be initialized. You see this is the new one that we have initialized. I also have another running instance right now. And let's delete the previously running instance. You see there is delete button. Once you delete the instance, all of the data will be lost. Pay attention to that. Let's terminate. And meanwhile, this virtual machine is getting initialized. Let's also install the ThinLinch client. If you haven't yet, you see there is ThinLinch client here. Link. I click it this arrow to open here, and when you go to the ThinLinch client downloads, download according to your computer. If you are using Mac, download the Mac version. If you are using Linux, download the Linux version. I am on Windows, so I am going to download Windows. Open the downloaded exe file. It will ask you permission, click yes. Installation is so easy, just click yes. Next, install. and then run Tinlich client, finish. So we are ready to use. However, before using it, set up your synchronization driver. You see there is options and advanced. If you don't see options, click advanced button here, click options, go to the local devices, uncheck all of the checkboxes and just check the drives and click details. You should add a new folder for synchronization. I'm going to add my folder, so I will remove and add again. Click add, click this three dots icon, select the folder where you want files to be synchronized with the cloud machine or with your computer. So I'm going to select this mass compute folder on my R drive, click OK. If you want it read only, you can make it read only, so you will be able to read these files, your local files from the cloud machine. But if you also want to synchronize, I suggest you read and write and click OK and click OK. Then just wait initialization to be completed. And machine is initialized within like 2 minutes, maybe lesser. Then copy this login IP, go back to Tinlich client and paste it. You see I just copy paste the IP. Then the username is Ubuntu, and Ubuntu, these usernames has to match. Then click this copy. It will copy the password and paste it and connect. Then it will ask you this screen, click continue. Then you will get to this screen, click start. Just wait this part, it is very quick. And we will in a minute access to the computer, and yes. So our virtual machine has started. This virtual machine is extremely special. It comes with automatic 11 and web UI. It comes with SD Forge. It comes with one trainer, Kohya. There is also one click updater scripts for them. Moreover, this machine comes with Python 3.10.12 and Git and CUDA 11.8, so you can use this virtual machine for any AI task. It should work on this machine. So how we are going to install the vExpress on this machine? To install it, copy these extracted files, go to your synchronization folder, which was my mass compute folder. Here I am going to make a new folder here, and let's say vExpress version 4, like this. You can also extract into this folder and just copy paste it. Then go back to the Tinlich client. When you get this software updater message, just click cancel. And where is these files are copied? Go to the home button here. Inside this home button, scroll down and you will see tin drives. Enter inside it. So this is where our files will be synchronized. So you see this is my local folder name. Enter inside it. Using it very easy. Just after using one time you will know how to use. So you see this was my folder. Just drag and drop it for copying into desktop. You shouldn't install into this synchronization folder, it will not work. So it is copied to the right bottom of the screen. So I just drag it and drop it to the here so you can see. Enter inside the folder. So this is where we are going to install home desktop vExpress version 4. And inside this folder, double click and open the massive compute instructions and copy this command. This is the installation command. All of my scripts has the same logic. Then click this three dots icon and click open terminal. So we have started a terminal inside this folder. Then copy paste the command. So let's copy the command one more time. Sometimes copy paste may not work. With Ctrl C I copy, then right click and paste. Okay, we didn't copy it accurately. Let's copy one more time. So copy, Ctrl C, right click and paste. And then it will start installation. You don't need to do anything else. It will install everything, all of the modules, and then we will run it with one click. Okay, so the installation has been completed. How we are going to start it? Let's return back to instructions.txt file and just copy this command with Ctrl C. You see I write everything for you. Then click this three dots icon one more time and open another terminal. You can also use this terminal, it should work, and paste it and hit enter. So I am showing this way, so you can also restart it if you want. To restart, just close this terminal and open again and execute the command and it will work. So we got both local URL and also Gradio Leave share, so you can use both of them. If you open this link with right click and open link, you can use it locally or you can use it from the Gradio Leave as well. So I am going to show you how to use Gradio Leave. I will copy this link and I will return back to my own computer and paste it, and I will be using this link from my computer. You can use it from your phone, mobile phone, your tablet, wherever you want, and I will be able to use this application that is running on Massive Compute. I have prepared 2 demo images and videos. You can download both of them and extract them to use. You can put them into your synchronization folder. However, I will be using them from this Gradio. So just click here to upload the image. So these are the demo images and videos part 2. Let's select this one. I will make a quick demo because you should watch the Windows tutorial of this application. In the Windows tutorial, I have explained everything. You see, this is the Windows tutorial. It is on our channel. I will also put the link of this video into the description of the video, so you can quickly find it and learn how to use this application. Then let's select the video file. You can also use audios. You don't need video. Both of them works. So let's select this one. So this is a 2-second clip. I prepared all times of clips so you can use them, try them. Just click play. So this is our driving clip and this is our driving image. I am going to use offset retarget. This is the best working one. If you get too much problem with the mouth movements, you can reduce the audio attention weight. For example, let's make this 2, and this will increase the likeliness of the output image. I am still testing them and they will be included in the tests file that I have shown you. And auto crop is enabled, so it will automatically crop this. The target video width and height are set. You should watch the Windows tutorial, then just click the generate talking video. To see the entire process, you should return back to the CMD window command line interface where you have started the application. We started it on Massive Compute. You see it is super fast to detect the faces because I have prepared everything accurately with the accurate libraries. This is running on a cloud machine, not on my machine. And this machine has huge amount of VRAM, amazing configuration. Let me show you. So I opened another window and NVI tab is the command. You see we have 48 GB VRAM memory here. We will see how much it will use for this video. Another advantage of Massive Compute is that you can generate even very long duration videos because it has 48 GB VRAM. So it is starting inference on our CMD window. We can watch the status here. Okay, the inference video generation started. So it is taking around 4.5 seconds per IT and it will be completed in 30 iteration. Why? Because our step count is set as 30, so it will take 30 iteration to be completed. As you increase the number of frames of your target video or the duration of your target audio, it will use more VRAM memory. It is not exactly as linear, but it is getting more used. Actually, after this video, I will put a 1-minute video here to show you. Okay, the result video is generated. Let's play.
Machine is different. 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 Machine is different.
Okay, so we see the input and output, and where is this file saved and how you are going to download it. Let's return back to the Massive Compute. On Massive Compute, since this is a desktop interface, you can click open outputs folder and it will open the outputs folder. So it is saved inside our installation folder inside outputs. So how you can download all of the generated videos into your computer? Go back to the parent folder, right click outputs and copy, then return back to the home. In the thin drives, this is where our synchronization, Mass Compute. You can also upload your Google Drive, OneDrive, wherever you want and paste it there. After I do that, when I return back to my synchronization folder on my computer, it will be there. Let's return back to our synchronization folder and you see outputs has arrived here. And now this is on my computer, so it is synchronized. Just open it and you will see it there. So one more thing before I end the tutorial for the Massive Compute, then we will move to the Rampod. Let's try 1-minute length video. So this is our current VRAM usage, only 33 megabytes. And let's go to here and just upload a 1-minute video. It is also inside this example, Benedict 60 seconds. So let's upload it into our Gradio Live interface and then hit generate talking video. By the way, you can also generate higher resolution videos from here, target video width and target video height. If you change them, make sure that to change the crop width and crop height as well. If you are using auto crop image, and let's see how much VRAM we will use with 1-minute video. So it is extracting faces in all of the frames, and you see there are so many frames in this video. So the inference has started. It is using 40 GB VRAM for 1819 frames video. So it is a 1 minute video and it is using 40 GB, and it is not a problem because we are renting this machine with only 31 cents per hour, as you are seeing. Let's say you need even longer videos or bigger resolution, then in the deployment menu you can rent A100 GPU. You see it is 80 GB, and if you rent that one you will be able to generate even longer and bigger resolution videos. So it is time to install on Rampod. To install on Rampod, we have Rampod instructions read txt file inside the downloaded zip file. So just open it. Then first register or log in your Rampod account. I have a link here. Please use that. So let's log in. If you don't have an account, just register. And in here, click pods. You see, I already have 2 running pods, which I am running the tests for you. So you will be able to see which each configuration makes. Then click deploy. And in this screen, the selections are super important. I'm going to use Community Cloud because it is cheaper, and I am going to set the extreme speed so it will download faster. Now minimum use 3090, 24 GB. You can also use RTX A6000, A40 or RTX A5000. These are all usable graphic cards or the above ones from here. For this tutorial I will use RTX 4090, which is the fastest GPU. However, if you are going to generate longer videos, you may get out of VRAM error. Now this template selection, this is super important. You see, after I selected GPU, I need to select my template here. Click change template and type PyTorch. After you type it PyTorch, you will get all of these official templates. From these PyTorch templates, you need to select this PyTorch 2.1y because this template has CUDA 11.8, which is mandatory to run it faster. So select PyTorch 2.1. This is already written in the instructions, so you should always read my instructions for my scripts, and then click back again the edit template. Set the volume disk like 50 GB, it is sufficient. Also, if you want to use Rampod proxy connection, set a HTTP port here 7861 and set overrides. Then go to the bottom and deploy on demand. Let's go to the my pods. So this is the new pod that I am starting. Let's say tutorial from here and submit, and the pod connect button appeared. Click the connect to the Jupyter Lab. This screen may not appear or start immediately, it depends on your pod. Then from here, click this icon. We will upload the downloaded zip files. So select the extracted zip file and upload everything there. You see I have uploaded everything. Double click Rampod instructions read txt file, and this is the installation command. Copy it, click this plus icon, a new terminal here, paste it. This is all. It will install everything automatically for us. All of my scripts are working with the same logic, so once you learn how to run one of them, you can run all of them. Just follow the instructions. So the installation has been completed. Let's return back the instructions file. Select this part and open a new terminal. Just copy paste it. This will start the application. It will also give us a Gradio Leave share because we use share command. You see we can connect from Gradio Leave, and also you can connect from HTTP service port 7861 because it starts on that port by default, so you can use either way. For this one I will do a quick test, so let's select the example files. So let's pick this one for example, and let's use a 7-second video file. I'm going to use offset retarget, and let's make the audio attention weight 2, and let's make the reference attention weight 1. Just wait files to be completely uploaded. Once it is done, click generate talking video. I will also update this application and add Windows tutorial link. And let's see the speed on 4090. So it is first processing the frames. We have 233 frames for this video. So the inference has started. It is taking 11 seconds per IT for 233 frames video. It is about 7 seconds video. This is the speed of RTX 4090, so it is taking around 5 minutes to generate a 7-second video on RTX 4090. It is not very fast, but it is not very slow either. So the video on Rampot has been generated. Let's play it.
The interesting question is, just because something thinks differently from you, does that mean it's not thinking?
Okay, it is decent. So how you can download all of the generated videos on Rampot? Go to the VExpress folder. It is inside Workspace. In here you will see outputs, right click and download as an archive. This is the easiest way and you see it is downloaded. Alternatively, you can use Rampot CTL to download all of them. Watch this amazing tutorial to learn how to use Rampot CTL on your computer. It is also alternative way of downloading. Another thing is that you can use Hugging Face uploading. In this amazing tutorial video, I have shown how to download and upload files and folders to the Hugging Face. So you can watch this amazing tutorial to learn that as well. Now the final thing is that using Kaggle, to use Kaggle, go to the kaggle.com. This is the slowest way, but it is completely free. Log in with your account and activate your phone number, then click this create button, click new notebook. In this interface, select the accelerator from here as GPU P100. GPU P100 has more VRAM than the GPU T4, that is why we are using it. Then go to the file, click import notebook, drag and drop or select the notebook file, click browse files. Go to the inside of your downloaded folder you see and select the free Kaggle notebook. Then once you selected the notebook, click import and you will get to this screen. On this screen, you will get settings updated. Click OK, it is fine. If you don't get it, it is also fine. Then click this start session. Wait for session to be started. If you are not able to select accelerator, that means your account is not phone verified. Then make sure that internet on is selected here. Wait for channel to be started. Once you get this green icon, click here and you will see your session with GPU 100 and the RAM and the memory used. Then click this play icon. It will install everything automatically for you. You don't need to do anything else. Just wait patiently. If you scroll down, you will see the installation logs like this. If it gets broken, just message me from Patreon and hopefully I will fix it immediately. Once the Kaggle installation has been completed, you will see that this cancel button disappeared. So the installation has been completed. You see there is no more cancel button. In the below, there are several steps that you have to follow to use the web UI on Kaggle. Unfortunately, it is not as just Gradio Share. It is blocked. So read the instructions and apply them. And as a next step, we are going to execute this cell. Let me show you. So once you have applied the above steps, there is also a tutorial that is showing you how to do that, a video tutorial. All you need to do is just clicking this cell. So I click this cell, just wait for local URL to be started. Okay, running on local URL started. Now visit the link that you got in the above after following the instructions. And there you will see visit site. After you click it visit site, you will get our interface. On Kaggle we have a limited VRAM, so I am going to test with a smaller video. Let's select our image. I am going to use this one. And I am going to select a smaller video, Benedict 2 seconds, like this. Let's select the offset retarget and let's make both attentions 1. I think this is working best, and click generate talking video. Then when you return back to your Kaggle, you will see how it is working. It will process everything. So this video is 61 frames. So the inference has started and it is using 12.3 GB VRAM for 61 frames video. You probably can go to 2-3 minutes, maybe 4-5 minutes video input, but after that you may get out of VRAM error, so you should use the massed compute instructions and you can then generate even 1-minute videos or even longer. So our video is generated on Kaggle as well. How you can download all of the generated images on Kaggle? Return back to the Kaggle notebook, and to download all of them, we are going to hit cancel run button because we are going to execute this cell. So let's hit the cancel run button. Then click this cell. This cell is going to zip all of the video files into the working directory. So on the right panel, click here and you see now we have videos.zip file. Whenever you click this cell, it will rezip all of the videos. Then from these three dots icon here, click download. And this way you can zip and download all of the videos that you have generated on a Kaggle account. And also you can of course click this download icon here and download videos directly to your computer, and right click videos, and you can also save video as and download videos and save them into any location you want. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a comment, like. Also, when you click here more links, you will find our Discord channel. Please join our Discord channel. You don't have to be my Patreon member. You see we have over 7.5 thousand members. Currently about 900 members are online. Click join server. Ask me any questions. You can reply this video and also message me from Patreon. Hopefully see you in another amazing tutorial video.